block Ford. Just got that dyno. Your description is combination. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. It's the EFI multi-point. Got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley Terminator X, great system. Rear sump oil pan. Got the March serpentine belt setup. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Take you in there and show you how to ran. Alrighty, 3500. It's 392 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 409. Peak horsepower 432. So we ran it at 440. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.